To make winter slime, you'll need the following materials: a cup to mix it in, 4 ounces of glue, a half a cup of baking soda, a popsicle stick, 2 tablespoons of detergent, and glitter if you want. Add 2 ounces of glue, about a half a bottle, to your cup. Then, add a little bit of water, about a half a teaspoon, to your glue and mix it all together. After it's all mixed together, add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then mix it together and try to break up any chunks that you see. Now, scrape your popsicle stick against the side of your cup to try to get as much of the mixture off as you can. Dip your popsicle stick into the detergent so you get just a small amount, and then stir it into your mixture. Then repeat this step about 2 more times. At this point, your slime should be able to be picked up in one chunk. If it's not, try adding a little more detergent. Now, add another teaspoon of baking soda and mix together. If your slime is still a little sticky, you can add a small sprinkling of baking soda. Scoop your slime out of the cup and work it around with your hands. If you're feeling extra festive, add some glitter to your slime. Snip a corner of your glitter packet and dump it onto your slime. Fold the glitter into your slime and continue working it in your hands to make sure it's all mixed together. Test out your finished product and enjoy your new slime creation.